Hello everyone, today we are going to make a simple and delicious chicken and asparagus stir fry. We're using tender chicken thighs, fresh asparagus and mushrooms, and a savory sauce that brings everything together. We started with 220 grams of skinless chicken thighs. They are slightly frozen, which makes them easier to slice. Cut the chicken on the diagonal to get nicer and wider pieces. This gives a better texture when stir-fried. Then transfer the chicken to the bowl and marinate with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, half a teaspoon sugar, and 1/8 black pepper powder, and 1 tablespoon cornstarch. And then mix everything well so each piece is coated evenly. And then add 1 tablespoon of oil and mix again, and let it sit while we prepare the other vegetables. Here I have 200 grams of fresh asparagus already washed and trimmed. Cut the asparagus on the diagonal into 2-inch pieces. This helps them cook faster and absorb flavor better. Then set aside. Now we are going to prepare the aromatics. And first, slice half an onion and separate the layers. Then slice 3 cloves of garlic. And then finally slice 3 fresh mushrooms. Now everything is ready to cook. Before we start cooking, let's quickly mix the sauce. First, prepare 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine separately. Then, in a small bowl, mix together 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Now it's time to cook. Heat a little bit oil in a pan over medium-high heat. First, add the mushrooms. Let them cook till they release moisture and start to turn brown. Then we add the sliced onions, season with a pinch of salt and a small pinch of sugar. Stir fry till the onions are slightly softened but still have some texture. Remove everything from the pan and set aside. Now let's cook the asparagus. Add a little bit more oil to the pan and toss in the asparagus. Stir fry for 1 or 2 minutes. Add a small pinch of salt and sugar and keep stir frying till it's about 70% cooked, but still bright and crisp. Then remove and set aside. The reason that we cook the asparagus separately and after because it cooks fast. If we do it too early, it will lose its color and crisp texture. Finally, time to cook the chicken. Add some more oil to the pan and please marinate the chicken. Let it sit for a few seconds before moving it. This helps it brown nicely. Then gently stir and spread the pieces out so they cook evenly. When the chicken is almost done, pour in the Shaoxing wine and let it sizzle. Then add the garlic and stir till fragrant. Then we add in the sauce we mixed earlier and stir while to cook the chicken. Then add back the cooked mushrooms, onions, and the asparagus. Toss everything together over high heat for about 30 seconds, just till everything is hot and glossy. Then we add a little bit of salt and we're done. A beautiful, colorful stir fry with juicy chicken, crisp asparagus, and tender mushrooms. And serve it hot with steamed rice or enjoy it on its own as a light, healthy meal. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give a thumb up and subscribe for more recipes. Let us know in the comments how it turned out for you and see you in the next one.